In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Squarespace. We'll start right in your browser. Type Squarespace into Google and open the official Squarespace website. This is the quickest way to get to the right place, especially if you're not already signed in. Once the home page loads, look to the top corner for the profile icon. Click it to access your account. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now and keep your login details secure. After you're in, head to the account dashboard. Think of the dashboard as the command center for your sites, billing, and key settings. From here, choose Website to open the site you want to work on. If you manage more than one site, take a second to confirm you're opening the correct one, since the changes we're making will affect the whole site. Inside your site's settings, use the search bar and type Code Injection. Open the Code Injection panel. This is where you can safely add site-wide scripts. Today, we're adding Google Tag Manager. Have your container code ready from your Google Tag Manager workspace. In Squarespace, you'll see separate fields for the header and footer. Paste the appropriate Google Tag Manager snippets into the correct fields as instructed by Google Tag Manager. The script that belongs in the head goes in the header field, and the no-script snippet goes in the footer field. Double-check that you've copied the complete snippets and that your container ID is correct. When you're sure everything looks right, save your changes. Saving is important because scripts won't load on your live site until you do. After saving, you'll be back in your configuration area. Give your site a quick refresh and allow a few minutes for the new scripts to propagate. It's normal for tracking tools to take a short time to start appearing in your analytics. If you ever need to turn a script off later, you can come back to the same code injection panel to remove or update it. Before wrapping up, navigate to your site's settings and open permissions and ownership. This is the place to review who has access to your site and what they can change. Make sure only trusted collaborators can edit sensitive areas like code injection. Keeping access tight helps protect your analytics setup and overall site integrity. And that's it. You searched for Squarespace, signed in, opened your account dashboard, selected your website, found code injection, added your Google Tag Manager snippets, saved, and then reviewed permissions. Follow these steps, and you'll have a clean, reliable setup ready for analytics and marketing tags across your site.